Chef Lorious here. Welcome back to the Love Lab. Today we are making toffee chocolate chip bars. They are sinfully delicious, loaded with way too much sugar, which makes them perfect in my opinion. Come on in the kitchen, guys. Let's cook. So guys, toffee chocolate chip bars are a lot like chocolate chip cookies, except you don't have to worry with all of that refrigerating the dough and stuff. I have a really good chocolate chip cookie recipe out there. I hope you'll check it out. Those cookies are amazing. But for best results, you really have to let the dough chill. Not so with the bar. Let me show you what you do. First, we've got all of our basic ingredients in here. We've got flour, butter, eggs, 2 eggs and a yolk. It helps with the richness and the flavor. Baking powder, baking soda, a little cornstarch. The cornstarch is gonna help with the soft consistency. A nice amount of brown sugar and some white sugar. So we're gonna mix these up and then we're gonna add in way too much chocolate. Because, I mean, why not, right? All right, so let's start first with our butter. Here we've got a cup of butter, melted. I'm gonna put that in here. Hold, make sure I, oh good, I was making sure I secured it. I realized I took it out, but I wasn't sure if I had secured it. All right, and to that we're going to add our brown sugar and our white sugar. Oh. I'm sorry, y'all, but cooking desserts just makes me happy. All right, so you guys, here's the sugar and the butter. I'm gonna start mixing these together. I'm telling you, I love desserts. They just make me happy. They make my heart sing. What's that about? All right, to that we're gonna add 2 eggs and a yolk. So I guess that's, what, 2.5 eggs? The extra yolk gives us a nice richness of flavor, all right? Oh, perfect. Now, while that's going, I'm gonna add in there picked up the wrong thing, vanilla. This is some homemade vanilla. You guys have been noticing that I'm using this homemade vanilla a lot. I guess I'm gonna have to make a video, huh? All right, stay tuned. We'll start soon because you need to start now for the holidays. Now being summer. All right. Oh, look how pretty and creamy that looks. All right, now we're gonna add to that our flour. I'm gonna come on this side since that's where my whatchamajigger stopped. Okay. And I'm gonna add to that cornstarch and baking powder and baking soda and some salt. Okay, here we go. And you'll notice how with cookies, you can just add it all in there. It's not like with the cake where you gotta alternate and stuff. Just put it in there, honey. It's cookie dough. Just put it in the mixer and let it do what it do. Look, oh, it's coming together. Ooh, and comes the good part next, y'all, the chocolate. Oh. You know, I could just eat cookie dough. Am I the only one? All right. There we go. Oh, that's pretty, y'all, pretty. Now I'm getting ready to dump in all of this chocolate. Now what I've got here for chocolate is I've got bittersweet, I've got semi-sweet, I've got milk chocolate, and white chocolate. And it's about 2 cups total in here because you want about 2 cups. So if you just want to do one, do it. But you know what? Listen, if I'm gonna do it, go big or go home, right? And since I'm already at home, I might as well go big. And I'm also gonna add to that this is that bits of brickle, little toffee. I love toffee. This is a personal indulgence. This does not have to go in here. I just love it. And since I love it and I'm the one cooking it, I'm gonna fix what I want. Amen and amen. All right, now we're gonna give this a quick mix. We don't need to over mix it. Oh, look at that goodness, y'all. Look at that. All right. Oh, this is about to be one of the best days in the Love Lab. All right, now I've got an 8x8 pan here. I'm gonna use some parchment paper to put this in because I don't want it to stick. I wanna be able to just lift it out and cut it. Because, you know, you can grease it and all that stuff, but you nobody got time for all that. Well, I take that back. I ain't got time for all that. If you do, baby, do you. I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'm actually applaud you because that takes work and patience and dedication. So do you. I'm gonna put some parchment paper in there. Oh my gosh, see, I'm taking this extra dough off. I probably shouldn't, I should just eat it. because that's what I'm gonna do anyway. Okay, here we go. Now, just gonna give that a little stir. Oh, Jesus, this looks good. I'm just making sure everything's mixed in so we get this good chocolatey everywhere. All right, and now we're just gonna dump it like so. This is gonna be so good, y'all. Served just slightly warm with some ice cream, or I don't know. My kids are gonna come up with so many creative ways to eat this. I won't even know what happened. Now I'm using an 8x8 tray. You can use 9x13, they'll just be a little thinner, okay? But you see what I'm doing? I'm taking my spatula where I have the parchment paper, and I'm just pushing this around so it goes completely around the entire baking dish. We're gonna bake this in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes until it's done, and then we'll be ready. Well, we gotta let it cool. I was gonna say ready to eat it, but we'll let it cool. And then, just a little, and then we will tear it up. Well, guys, our cookie bars baked for about 40 minutes because they were pretty thick. Yes, I think if I had used a 9x13, we could have gotten away with 30, 35 minutes, but whatever. And I've let them cool, and look, this is why you want that parchment paper. See that? Just pick them up and put them down. Clean up, easy breezy. Look at this. Oh my God, these are beautiful. I've got a bench scraper here. I think it's called a bench scraper. Is that what it's called, y'all? I'm gonna use this. I'm just gonna cut a little bit here. I'm not gonna cut them too big because they're really thick, which is a good thing. Ooh. Okay, they're still a little too hot to cut. So I'm gonna stop and just cut this one corner for you. Look at that. Oh my God. You can see, yeah, it is still too hot. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit. Oh, Jesus. But Lord, I thank you for this one piece I got. Oh my God, I'm gonna have it. All right. Y'all. All that chocolate. The bittersweet, the semi-sweet, the milk chocolate, the white chocolate, the toffee, all of it together. It's like, but it is hot. I thought I let it cool enough. I need to let it cool a little bit more. But you know, if you want it warm, I'm gonna tell you what's really good. Get you some ice cream on this joker right here, just like this. Well, I'm gonna hurry up and put this back, let it cool a little bit longer before my kids smell it and come up, because if I'm lucky, I'm gonna go grab my husband and we can take care of this so they won't know a thing. Wish us luck. All right, fam, I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna try to let these cool off some more before I cut them, but no promises. Happy cooking. Oh, wow.